Hi guys, I'm Happy Gaming Potato, and today we're not gonna do a video about gaming, but this is a tutorial on how to do that Raspberry Pi.org project, like this one. So I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on this. So basically, what you have to do is what the introduction says is to use. Wait, where is it? To use Blender V 2.8 or newer, but I'm using 2.7 D9. 2. Wait, yeah, 2.7. So it definitely works in this version. So yeah. Okay, I got it. Shut up. So today I am going to be doing a tutorial on this. So yeah, basically what you have to do to see the render from the camera is just press F12 and then just press escape to just escape it. Okay, so apparently you need to move the camera down because this snowman is lonely and needs to get in the shot. So we just press R. Uh, uh, I selected the wrong object. One sec. You right click by selecting it. You select it by hitting right click. Go into the camera mode and just press R and oh no. Okay, there we go. Now we got it. We got it. Had to do a little of camera adjusting stuff, so yeah. Select the move tool and move. Yeah, that's why it says you're supposed to have it on a newer, yeah. Blah, 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 blah. So let's animate it. So, yeah, oh yeah, there's a rocket there, by the way. So the instructions says that we have to select 100 keyframes. Is that what it said? And apparently it says blue box, but it's not on my version. 100, yeah. So apparently we need to select lock rot scale. And we select the car to move it. So we drop a keyframe right here. And I'm just gonna skip a few steps because I accidentally made the car float. Hang on. Alright, so we're back. I accidentally made the car float, so you have to use these thingies. Because apparently this version, yeah. It's just not good at cooperating. Well, it is cooperating, right? It's just that there's not much tools in this version. Also, it looks old school, not gonna lie. Drop it. And now we need a keyframe where... Oh, and also the guy says that these yellow lines here, apparently in the latest version, they're yellow diamonds, but let's just pretend they're just diamonds. So then we just perfect. Okay, so apparently I was supposed to put a keyframe at 90, which is the end keyframe. So I accidentally did that. So I while I was skipping, I guess I didn't actually listen to the thing. Big oopsies. Just cut that out, editor. Please. So we just add a keyframe at 40. You would see it right here. Okay. So now let's play our animation from the start and see how it is. Perfect. So, that's basically that, but there's also something else. Apparently, the rocket behind the hut is meant for squashing the snowman. Okay. So, I'm just gonna... Actually, I'm not even gonna do this part because it's already gonna take me a long time to edit this, so... So, my editor will hopefully... Wait. Well, my editor is me. My editor will... I will hopefully show you the end result And yeah. Bye. Bye.